Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Glowenvy, where we put beauty, creativity, and DIYs to the test. If you love fun, artsy projects with a little bit of chaos, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Today, we're diving headfirst into the world of DIY candle hacks. We'll be tackling 3 trendy candle projects: the Margarita, the Latte, and the Cherry Blossom. Get ready for some fun, some challenges, and hopefully some beautiful candles. Safety first, always. Let's light this candle making party. Remember those viral videos of amazing candle creations? They always seem so effortless, right? Well, sometimes the reality is a bit more melty. But fear not. We're here to navigate those pitfalls together. I'm all about embracing the unexpected in crafting. It's where the real learning happens. First up, the Margarita candle. Who wouldn't want their home smelling like a tropical vacation? The gold, a candle that looks good enough to drink. Almost. We'll be using candle gel, which can be a little finicky. Imagine trying to wrangle a very slow, very hot jellyfish. Start by melting your gel slowly, stirring to avoid scorching. Trust me, burnt gel is not a good smell. While that's happening, create your ice cubes using a silicone mold and extra gel. For the salt rim, I use shave-down tea lights. A fun little trick. Once your gel is melted, add your color and scent. Margarita, anyone? Carefully pour the gel into your prepared glass, adding those cute little ice cubes. Let it set completely, and voila! Next, let's brew up a latte candle. This one's all about creating that cozy coffee house vibe. We'll be layering wax in a mug, which is surprisingly satisfying. Think of it as building a tiny, fragrant skyscraper. First, choose your mug. It can be anything from a classic diner mug to a quirky vintage find. Melt your brown wax and pour it in, leaving some space at the top. Now for the foam. I used white frosting, but it can be tricky to get the right consistency. Too runny and it'll blend in. Too thick and it won't pipe nicely. Experiment and find what works best. Pipe your foam onto the wax, add a cinnamon stick for extra flair, and there you have it. Finally, the Cherry Blossom candle. This one's the most visually striking of the bunch, but it also comes with a warning: fire hazard. We'll be dipping branches in wax, so extra caution is key. First, find some aesthetically pleasing branches. Think delicate, not lumberjack. Dip your wicks in melted wax to stiffen them, then attach them to the branches. Now for the fun part, dipping the branches in pink wax. The key is to work quickly before the wax hardens. Let the branches dry completely before displaying them. And remember, never leave burning candles unattended. These candle hacks were a blast to try, even with the occasional hiccup. The important thing is to have fun with it. Don't be afraid to experiment, get messy, and put your own spin on things. Who knows what amazing creations you'll come up with. Happy crafting, everyone. You love creative beauty and DIY experiments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another Glowenvy adventure. See you in the next one.